Audio Jungle.
Well, where do you see the laundry industry headed, Jamie, specifically with regard to women professionals?
Oh my gosh, there are so many more women getting into this industry right now, and it's just awesome.
Hmm.
I went to the women's event at Excellence, and
Right.
uh, I mean, there were so many women there,
Hmm.
and um, that was not the case 10 years ago. Um, 10 years ago, there were a few women owners, and they were absolutely begging
Hmm.
for a women's event or group. And so I'm really excited that has happened, that CLA has done that. And Monica Wells has and Danielle have spearheaded a lot of that. And, so I give them a lot of credit for that because it's a real undertaking to get it started.
Right, you're talking about the Excellent Women in Laundry, which is the full day event right before Excellence in Laundry,
Yep.
which is hosted by CLA's Women's Laundry Network.
Yep.
Yeah, great event. I mean, you get so many new people in the industry, just brand new faces, and the women were just really excited about the industry. So I thought that was a great event, and that just continues to grow every year. Absolutely.
Yeah, it really does. And I think that even just establishing that event and
Hmm.
focus around women is
Hmm.
going to bring more women into the industry.
Hmm.
And I think that makes so much sense, right? Because women still do more of the laundry than men. And and so I think as a result,
Yeah.
women also have great instincts around laundry. Women
Hmm.
also do most of the grocery shopping still.
Hmm.
And well, not most, but a lot of the grocery shopping.
Hmm.
And um, so I think women maybe have a little bit more exposure to this brick and mortar repeat retail experience. And I think they've got
Hmm.
a really good vision for how to deliver a great customer experience. So I think that, we're going to see more women
Hmm.
getting into the industry, which I think is just an
Hmm.
awesome thing. We need more diversity
Hmm.
across the board because our customers are diverse. And so I
Right.
think
Absolutely.
it's awesome that the ownership is starting to reflect some of those customer trends.
Absolutely. Absolutely.